Hey, everyone, again. I'm about to give out another solution on this exercise over here. Okay, I've already given one for you, which used the concept of nested for loops. However, for a slightest moment, I thought it was a bad idea, but then I thought, you know what, let me just put it out there so that you guys will have something to do a little bit of research on. Okay, however, this time around though, I am not gonna be playing around with nested for loops. I'll simply jump onto a straightforward solution. Again, if you did not know the textbook we're using, this is it right here. I know most of you out there might get annoyed of the fact that I keep showing the cover page. Okay, it's just that I don't want to make any assumptions in regards to whether or not people are watching this for the first time. Okay, anyways, now that I've got that out of the way, here's the deal though. I am not gonna use the end arguments. I am not gonna use it on this solution here. So here's what I'll do. I'll simply I'll have a variable called name, and then I'll have a for loop for index in range, and my range will be, so as long as my range will be, I want this thing to get executed 100 times, so I can do that by going 110 minus 100. Okay, that's gonna give us a 10. I can put anything here. Okay, as long as in the end I'll get a 10. But again, a 10 is not a must. It's a number I just picked. Okay. Print. So I'll just go name, multiply it by 10 times. Again, that's gonna be it for this solution. Right now I'm about to solve it. I'm about to save it. Okay, so let's hit the run button. Again, this simply says display this whole thing here 10 times. Okay, so I'll have 10 Lwandiles, okay, per line. How many times? 10 times. Okay, I'll basically have 10 rows and 10 columns, if you could think of it that way. Boom. Again, I'm gonna have to do that in order for this to look properly. Okay, that's gonna be it for this, you guys. Again, bear in mind, you guys, these aren't the best solutions. I am not giving out the most effective, nor am I giving out the most efficient solutions. I am just playing around with code. That's all, you guys. So see you in the next time.